Ntama we are miniwe. Ya miniwe. Wa on ko gbe kan wewa. Wa bo na wa gbe. O ma gbo we. Ijerifa, o ma gbo ke no ko gbe Jerifa yo awo. No ko gbe Jerifa yo awo. No ko yes. I can't know school. If you're not in school, yeah, I'm with Paddy, I'm with Papa, we are. Oh, go and go where you are. Oh, when I have Vaiwa. Oh, go and go and Salona or Salawa. Oh, when I wear a sit down. Ah, yes, the same tension. You will not. But we are now with me. If you ask water. Wow, Bill, oh, go and Billy, you are. Oh, go and Billy, you have a national pistol. Wa assume what they were. We want what you were. Why you went on the coin? Why you knew what collateral? Assume. If you want to be a house, you will not be my Ramaji. Black and white. Get that boy, just like that boy, they got more. What that boy? If you like bush way. You just say, you don't want to take you on the if you like bed. You don't go for say. If you like you don't go for no one again and if you like bush way. If you like bush way. If you are sleep. If you are Bilitoya, if you are Bitwan, if you are Bijose, if you are Bisoke, was soon. Even what they are, you are, or go on with your national history. Yet we are pissing out again. They open up over here. Show them over again. That's one. Let's go there. You say, and when it's way up here, how are the pictures? Yeah, queer at the media. My way. No, not if I was saying, feel like boy. Even though feeling, even if I would have boy. Oh, my father, why American? Why you went be away? I shall wait with you. If I don't want to go down, but you fortunately have here over what you will not go back home. Do not go on what be away. We are the I shall tell it. Attack my hand. Soon, no soon will go black this way. No go black this way. A time when we're investing, it's my way. You pay for it. Now, work by. I'll be your husband. I chance no one in Chile. You got to bear a boom. You can do your door. After the first week, everything wanted. What the mother made you are. Why you will be a queen? I don't have Moria. Then we told you not more than money. I don't have Jennifer or Yao. It's 2 years Jennifer or Jennifer Amari. A Jennifer Amari or was no carrot. The man on my carry your America. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You will get him to Jennifer is 20 years now. I've been 19 years. You call it social media. Wow. When you want to get a banner or America or what to go there. And the banner or you want to go to America, where it's in America. You are in New Jersey. Your own daughter is in New Jersey, but your daughter is living in New Jersey. I'm what on you. And the banner or more back or what by your back on me. What are you going to? We have got to be in America when I own to. Wow, because in when I was putting with police station, yeah, people not dealing with police station. We know one of Kitty, Kelly Vala Masogede, was soon with a well, Scarscan Bofu. Who did it? Baboran Lava, Erom Remnant in my Erom Remnant in our Remnant in Mina. Why you will get going or go out with Jennifer? A Jennifer meaning is the second army. If you said the second life, or Miss Agin Biu Abeyuwa. No go on this way you are, no go on Jennifer you are, Abeyuwa. No go on Jennifer, we don't build a sabotaka, no go on Valley, what American. I will hold him again. Who are what this you are? You don't want to get your daddy. No good wish way. You know, you put me here, was it? Wow, I know. God, no matter what, why is also on them on the way. On them one, no, never motor. No matter what I will want, or to not in America, all what they one get one. Why soon would they were over? On a go on to Mojo. Now, what visual police way, you live in Holy no water wire, or what do you hear? Abeyuwa Wagbo. Owe vie no Olivier de. No efio ni many me dash.
Yeah, I greet all my Edo people. I greet my Nigeria people. I believe if there is still true people in this Edo cyber space, I believe only the truth shall prevail. Nothing but the truth. Only the truth shall prevail. Just that many presenters, they are selfish hatred, jealousy industry. I've never seen an industry like Edo cyber space that is full of jealousy, that is full of hatred. They are full of hatred, full of jealousy, no truth, fake life. 97% na fake life. Imagine, see, I believe say 90% of Edo presenter know the real truth. All of them they pretend. All of them they pretend. Nobody want to tell the truth. Nobody want to go straight to the point. All of them they beat around the bush. All of them they pretend or now they fear Franco Mozuo making Oko Sagaona. All of them they pretend. All of them know the truth. This boy bully this woman. Not be only this one. The secret bullying with her. I know this video. That one was pass. I don't know what it with the pass through his body. Una don't know what it with the pass through his body. This idiot, they bully this woman with a naked video. This boy, they bully this woman with a naked video. Now that one was pass, but no. Una you know, all of you they carried away. Now you the phone say they give this one money. Now the money will give people that by this woman. I've been at the secret bullying. Where this idiot they bully this boy. All of you they talk different story. Everybody is talking just because of selfish hatred people wait for those about space. Nobody want to talk truth again. Truth is very far. I give me matter those about space. This one of my fans, I don't want to talk truth. This one of my fans, I don't want to talk truth. See, make una listen to Rita video we do yesterday. Monica Ekobete don't be my friend, but I must talk the truth. Now they hear me so. Monica Ekobete not be my friend, but only the truth shall set us free. Imagine Rita, Zimbabwe wife, you dey interview suspects. Queen is a suspect. Queen Tosho is a suspect. This woman never forgive Queen. Queen, come listen to this video. And if you have a video now, you're more boring. Now 4 things I want to talk. Where you dey hide for media, where you don't want to tell them. That 4 things I will talk. If I lie against you, you're more boring. Only one you talk. Only one. It's still the metri. Only one that I talk. Why I thought say, tell me say she dey pay your house rent. Not be say sometimes, not be every time, but sometimes she dey pay your house rent. Sometimes she tell me. Only that one why I talk. Now you dey cry. It the metri. The theory one I want talk now. Go breed juju if I dey lie. I go post it on her. Because for this social media, truth, I don't fit talk again. This matter will bring many people reputation down. This matter will bring many people. People go see and say, for a cyber space, it's not, they're not the talk truth again. Now stomach is atrocious now for a cyber space. Nobody want to talk truth again. Terry Agbola, God bless you, my brother. I see you, my brother. Terry Agmola music. Now ma you be. See, Zimbabwe husband. I never talked to you since. I see and say, your way is not clear, madam. Madam, before I go play what you talk, the way you tell lie, all the lies and everything, all the name of hatred, and you are interviewing a suspect that this woman. See, they try to break down this because they know say the police want to talk truth again. We'll continue to talk truth. They are trying to break down the what I'm saying. Man, don't worry. We will continue to say the truth. You understand me? Because Rita, you were interviewing a suspect yesterday. Because that suspect is your goddaughter, you don't want to talk truth again. You were interviewing a suspect because that suspect is your goddaughter. You don't want to talk truth again. Rita, you told us you married to a Zimbabwe and you are a Zimbabwe family. I will advise you to be talking about Zimbabwe program. I will advise you to be talking about Zimbabwe program. You have never brought Zimbabwe program to Edosa space one day. And you claim that you are from Zimbabwe. You married to Zimbabwe. You are not from Edosa space. And you keep condemning Edo people. Why? Demarketing Edo people. You have never demarketed Zimbabwe one day. Rita, come and listen to this video. You have never demarketed Zimbabwe people one day. You always demarket Benin people, Edo people at large. And you came from there. And your husband, I don't know whether he's listening to what you are saying. I don't know whether it's good for his wife to be demarketed where he came from and live where your husband came from. Zimbabwe are enjoying. There are so many atrocities in Zimbabwe. This woman is not opening his page and tell us the atrocity that is going on in Zimbabwe. Every time you come to Edo cyber space and demarket the Benin people, demarket the Edo people. And you leave the Zimbabwe people alone. Lying. You are with a suspect. With a suspect. You do not have the suspect. Where to make you and this woman quarrel? Where this woman don't leave you? Where this woman come person platform, come they lay curse on you? Say you be bad person, quit or show. You forget the video. People might come play the video where this woman take call, lay curse on you. When Lady Abeyuwa take lay curse on you, you forget where you come for a Epa platform. You forget. Hey, Queen. You don't go tell they say, see what happen. And you are sponsor, they fraud this woman. You never talk that one. Quit talk show. You never come. Go tell the world, say, you are sponsor. Where you want to go UK. How much you want to fraud this woman? You don't talk, huh? Because I dey look you. My people, before we start, my friend play the video where they come they play yesterday. Wanna see the kind of life where they take place with those bad space. Nobody want to talk truth again. Whether they fear Francomozu, I don't know. Nobody want to talk truth again. Truth is very bitter now. Now they say, wanna wait. King Terry, now your latest be this. Bara, ya wuti me. Ya wege anytime ya gboe, arubara ya vedu. Quit all show. Anytime ya gboe, arubara ya vedu. For now, ye ka ize you we ni. Ye ka let me go to you. Let me go for your madam. Nika kodok beri ni. When metana Nika kodok beri ni ma bere we you people are biased in those about space. Why tell matter? Wani bute matter. So they talk truth. Wani bute matter. My people, before we start, let's play what did they talk yesterday. Now they hear me. Let's play. Mona see the way they lie. The people where that woman ever give money, he tell me. I don't feel like he tell me people will give money. But not be money will give people na buy. Maybe na come on na mindset to that side. May not go use that one to change na mindset. Not be the people will give money buy. Person way buy and person way continue to bully her with a naked video. They bully her saying go buy. They bully Peking. Eh? They bullied a child. Una dey hear me so? Person wey be say you dey bully the woman child. Cynthia Frank, I see you. Terry Agbola, like music, and you try for the music. Don't worry. I will use and do my video. I will promote the music. I like her. Because friends, be careful of friends. Don't be lie. Every day my woman they tell me, say, don't Prince, be careful of friends. Don't be lie. Be careful. Be careful of friends. You get why? Be careful of friends. Be careful, for real. So before we start, let's go to Rita, Zimbabwe husband. No see what she talk. See she lie against Monica yesterday. Echo better lie. Now you put for that one body. You the more hatred. First say me echo better not the play, but talk truth. Go straight to the point. You understand me so? Go straight to the point. Go straight to the point. Make people see and say you are a truthful person. Only what they talk. Marry you go mail. Marry you go mail. Marry you go. Even somebody even told you that you should do 1 minute silent. You say no, you don't know her. But is your god this your goddaughter now? Now if your former godmother. This Quito show. Do you know that this Abeyuwa was his godmother of Quito show? But when they tell Rita, say Rita, you not do 1 minute silent. You not do 1 minute silent. Rita say no. You imagine the person waiting to do goddaughter, now former goddaughter. Your former godmother. They say me you do 1 minute silent. You say you not fit do 1 minute silent. They say me you do 1 minute silent. And you knew that this lady is your new goddaughter is the position where you there now. Now this lady Abeyuwa fed day. Now see the way social media be. Fear social media, fear people. Rita, she's not nice. Rita, you are not a nice woman. You pretend so much. Now God go pour spit for your eye. Rita, you pretend so much. You are not a nice person. Emata, Ero Wonu, Erita, or Zimbabwe. Only we will continue to talk the truth. If you are like, when I use my knack war, the truth, I go they talk and they go. I will continue to talk the truth. The truth shall set us free. If you not like, you not follow me. If you not like, you not follow me. The choosing ones will follow me. Because only the truth shall set us free. Nobody they feed each other. They hear me so? More they talk truth for once. More they talk truth for once. You understand me so? May they talk truth for once. May God, more than for fear heaven. You get why? You get why? You get why? So, when I listened to the video yesterday, when they just said they lie. When I listen, before we continue.
Abeyuwa, a person where be say, when she come meet me, she needed, she the person where be say she need help.
When I list you,
if you guys were in my shoe,
when I list you, say when Abeyuwa come meet her, say Abeyuwa need help. You go Queen, you go tell us the help we need because Frank Victor were bullying people they bully this woman because of Frank Victor. So the help we need now because she not get platform, maybe she want you to be happier to reply people. Not be the help where she need. When I they listen to them, I go analyze her for now. The one that tell see the truth. Only the truth shall set us free. When I they see them, when I listen to them, you want to analyze the way Abeyuwa take see and say Abeyuwa needs, but he reached my own tongue. Where be say after all of the woman don't see all of the character. And the woman self he called the last one place. And all of them start to the verse. All of them start to the verse. Even get one time where they even pull life from my body. This woman will come on, leave me, say, me don't join them. But later, let she come back again to tell, say, don't Prince. Call the beg, say, my not verse. Say, he does something and lie they put for my body. Who pour the lie? Akiko. Go plan with Olivier. Akiko, this boy, where they Jenny, where married, where in a dominion, they drag body, they go. That boy, they go pull life for my head. And they come now, see everything. I will give them evidence. Me, I they do this with evidence. Mona they watch. Mo fair listen to this girl. Mona see. Mona fair listen to this girl.
Let me just add a little about this Abeyuwa matter, my people.
Yeah.
Abeyuwa, a person where be say, when she come meet me, she needed, she the person where be say she need help. If you guys were in my shoe, you will do the same, because a woman will go call you 5 times a day. That 5 times she go dey cry. She go dey cry. If you ask her, I say, why did they cry?
That is this Abeyuwa.
The only problem she had was Frank. And that was the
Una the yera. The only problem she have was Frank. Una the year where this girl they talk truth, yeah? The only problem she have was Frank. That's not hear where. Now they would hear. Hello, they are not hearing me. Una the hear. If you are hearing me, say yes. If you are not hearing me, say no. So that man for no as I do this speaker. Hello, now they hear me. If you are hearing me, say yes. Before we continue. I don't even see whether people they watch. No problem, but we'll do the video finish. Share this video. Please. Una de hear me. Hello, are you hearing me? If you are hearing me, say yes. Before we start. I want Mona cough. I know I made mistake. I want to like this video. Mona say fear human being. Fear human being. Una de hear. Hello. Una de hear. Somebody say truth always hurt people. Lie will sweet them. Oh, God bless you. Person will comment that comment. God bless you. Truth, they always hurt people. Truth, they always hurt people. Truth, they always hurt people. But when there is lie, they sweet people. Now, true, this guy talk. See the comment we talk. Say truth always hurt people. Why it be like that? Best when they talk truth, they go the verse. My people, una de hear. I want to continue the record. Una de hear. If una de hear, I say yes. If una de hear, make I know. Una de hear. Hello, they are not hearing me. Una de hear. Hello. Matter deal. Una de listen. Una see where this girl confirm say the only problem this woman have was Frank Victor. But because of hatred, don't please not get it do them. I never fed them. All the neighbors say this woman they my side. Because of hatred, they don't want to touch it again. But the God of where all of us is sound, he used this girl touch truth here. But later they can't lie. Mona listen.
if you ask her, I say, why did they cry?
That is this Abeyuwa.
The only problem she had was Frank. And that was the truth.
I remember when you even come in now, they say make I come. That is this.
A day. That 5 times she go dey cry. She go dey cry. If you ask her, I say, why did they cry?
That is this Abeyuwa.
The only problem she had was Frank.
Una yeah.
That was the truth.
Una yeah. Hey, they don't hear me. Hey, social media, I remember matter. Nobody touch it again. I swear, those are bad speech you can be. No truth, no reference. Nobody they talk truth again. Nobody want to listen to truth again. Truth now they beat up for people. He area going was here. I give me no give you know matter. About for why those about space. Nigerians. Now so life can't be. Nobody they like truth again. If you talk truth, people will vex on you. Now so this world can't be. If you do, hey, Mona listening. Hey.
To say because a woman will go call you 5 times a day. That 5 times she go to cry. She go to cry. If you ask someone, say, why did they cry?
That is this Abeyuwa.
The only problem she had was Frank.
Okay.
That was the truth.
I remember when you even come in now and they say, make I can't help you join on the fight. I can't say, oh, young baby, you say, you try.
Yes.
Yes. But when the fans ask you, you don't do 1 minute silence. You say, no, the woman. Woman, but goddaughter wait you. We are they want boy say. You call up the woman. The man boy say now do a goddaughter yena or a goddaughter support you now. You are not happy. Wow, go you do where live social media. Goddaughter, godmother. Goddaughter, godmother. Because the woman choose to be the goddaughter woman. She was the one that volunteered to be one of my daughter godmother. She was the one that volunteered to be one of my daughter godmother. Onyoga dinya. Where one godmother, where one of Oviedon Prince. Now people, this life not balance. Fear human being. Listen to them.
He said, you say you're not going to involve. Said no. Besides, you don't get close to such anything we get to do with her. You know what just
and I know they would say I take until they do.
Yes. That is why. You understand? Okay, now this lady, with the friends, normal. I get a lot of people who say they call me idahosa. They support me.
Yeah.
You understand? That one, it don't mean anything. You understand? Okay, this lady, they call me, she did support me. Later on, she could share a problem with me, you know. She they call me more often. She could share a problem with me and everything. Those issues now, waiting Frank, they do her. All of them see many for this Facebook. When this woman they Facebook, they give people star, they give me star, they give Frank star. Nobody know this lady. Waiting cause for my people. Frank the saga the Julie London. Mama Joy the saga the woman.
Why that one consider the saga the woman?
I don't know why Mama Joy, but Mama Joy they don't say because she they give the Frank star.
Hey.
All of them just do.
Because they give her, you see, why Mama Joy was attacking of Frank Omozwo is because Julie London is very close to Mama Joy. What matter? They don't sabaspe. Anyone is here. Hey, Baba. Julie London, everybody knew that Julie London is very close to Mama Joy. Mama Linda Peter. Ote said I na mama we mama. Mama geni magije. Yagbe. Godmother, one of my goddaughter. One of my daughter. Now, they come to a dosaba space, here get temata. And what a hero? Hey, God.
I don't know what Mama Joy, but Mama Joy said they don't say
because Julie London, Julie London is a close friend to Mama Joy. That is why Mama Joy stood and stand for Julie London. Like the way this boy is attacking Lady of Song, who did not wrong this girl. This idiot called Quinto Show, Epa Rubara. Did Esther edokpayi accuse you? You are supporting your godmother insulting Lady of Song. You are insulting Lady of Song because your godmother and Lady of Song have some issues. That is why Mama Joy stand for our own friend, which is Julie London. Because Franco Moswo, we are bullying Julie London at that time. Even me, I came to support Julie London. Because she's a mentor. She has been helping the Benin people. I love people doing good. You understand, my people? I love people doing good. So I came out to support Julie London at that time. Now the video Frank got to play. See, I think it's sort of Abeyuwa at that time. Because why? Anybody that close to Frank that time, everybody they find a will beat him. Because if you the saga Frank, you know the pepper run. Now people where they close to run, now you go the saga, where you go the pepper run. Well, they hear me so, my people. People where they close to run, now we were looking for at that time. Most of everybody where saga this lady Abeyuwa at that time is because of this Frank. It's because of this boy, but nobody want to talk truth again. Nobody want to talk truth again. Truth is now bitter. Why, my people? Edo people, why? Why? Now they listen to truth again. Una go they follow people who be say they know where. They use now they create content, they make money on their own. They don't care about you people. Una they listen to them.
Person money now, all of them just they run for like that. Baba. Why am we now? Yeah, that one you got dog and not why you want. Look at their life.
Sure.
Because of jobless women who are always talking nonsense on social media.
God dog, you know, this time they talk to Mama Joy there. God dog and Mama Joy, they are living well. They are okay. Masa na ukba kamadan we je Nigeria ya we marriage. We maybe take beju. Ije Joy junugba no hine. Why junugba no hine? They are doing well. So why do I live a fake life? Ekena who we carry. We may say what there. You have never visited your husband's village, Zimbabwe. We may show there, but while pretend in social media live a fake life, Rita. Rita by a fake life, Rita by a fake life, You have never visited Zimbabwe one day and shows that you are in Zimbabwe. Right now, Zimbabwe family, I'm your in-law. But you are using direct to tell Mama Joy people that they are doing well. They are doing well. What matter? Why you gotta live a fake life? I see look more you be show Ipalo or Ipalo Mose. I am not de okay vagbon. I am not de okay vagbon. Why you gotta live a fake life? What's a fake life here? No what matter? More than they talk truth. If not say only one person now believe in me, let it be. If not only one person believe in Don Prince, I will not say that one person. Now God choosing. More than they talk truth. More than they listen to them.
Julie and Julie and Mama Joy, they together. Mama Joy was fighting for the Julie.
Okay.
Yeah. So this lady was not helpless. Through Atiti and some few people, they were able to bring out this lady's.
Okay, you know that the lady were not helpless. Quit also, you knew that the lady were not helpless. That time when they do this one, the priest never know this woman. Oh, the priest never know this woman. I never talk. This video, when I listen, I go talk. The priest go talk. The time when they do this one, me, the woman, never even know me at that time. Now this girl, now they say the woman were helpless. I tell you before it can reach our hand. Not be helpless, it reach our hand. Because why? People the pursue the go. Not be helpless, it reach our hand. But nobody want to talk truth again. They are not deciding on money. Not be the money where is paid for people where help. Now this boy where be say he promised to marry her. And you did not marry her, you bully her, and you use a naked video to be bullying her. Nobody want to talk truth again. You use a naked video to be bullying her. You bully a child. Everything. Nobody want to talk truth again. Why does cyberspace be like this? Why does cyberspace be like this? Eriwajia. Mama Mowa. Fieuna. Eriwajia. Why don't we talk truth again? Hey God. What are they listening?
Millie, which all of us see. They bring her mama, they bring her everybody come out.
Yeah.
And me now, the woman know me, she know Frank, she know other presenter, but now me, she even they open up to more them. Now me, she they open up to more. So this lady come meet me, they cry for me, say, see what they do. And me and this lady call Frank so many times to tell Frank to leave the Julie London alone. May not saga there again. Because they don't already find out.
When I see what he talks to, this is the woman where they say the sponsor. You know the sponsor they talk, they made the list. Even where even the same Frank Victor, he promised Frank Victor he will give you 20 million to lead Saga. Frank Victor say he not take the money, say he want to do Saga. Frank Victor say he go do Saga, he not take the money. Even me where they here, he promised him many things about when at the Saga Monica, that if I leave Monica, he will buy my pay, do everything. But I said, let me express my feelings. Let me express my feelings. That is why I continue to express my feelings. But in this video, I will talk the truth. Now, they hear me so, the lie where retire me more, yours the lie yesterday. I want me to read that area first before I talk. No, are they listening?
Be that Abeyuwa, and now they are ready to distribute a picture to
social media. Fake people everywhere. Fake people everywhere.
Yes. So me and the lady, when I beg Frank, say Frank, please stop to the Saga Julie with a genotarata, so that they will not bring out this lady picture, because they say now she they sponsored the Saga where you the Saga there.
All right.
Frank now said never. Nobody fit tell her what he go do for a platform. In the fight justice. In the justice was for the Julie case, because it was adulterous case. I don't know how to get information. What he get? He could say he must fight justice. This and this track not going.
1 minute queen. Somebody said we told none of the presenters could give Abeyuwa a minute silence. I don't know her, my darling. I don't know her. I cannot be giving silence to a person that I don't know. Before you give a person silence, you must know the person. Me and she like this, we never talk in one day. I don't even know her. Now when she died, now they see her picture for the very first time. Now, yeah, I take the year say that they see somebody now Abeyuwa. I don't know her. Now when he died, now his sister where they America, they tell me say the presenters were not collecting money for this social media. They are very few. Me and some few other people. The many will take money. Even the adulterous one where they UK where they shot. So even taking money, he still collect for his hand, because the time where he say the woman come they fear Frank Saga, come they pass everywhere the way, go meet her. She come beat the woman, say, see how much she want give me. The woman can't pay the money give her. She not do that thing, she not do that one. Fear, not let the woman talk. No, but so now the one where they use printed the shot. So I've got you go now. When you got there, you what?
You say, what you talk for them, man, at least I not hear what you talk for them. Voila, this
he collect for his hand, because the time where he say the woman come they fear Frank Saga, come they pass everywhere the way, go meet her. She can't beat the woman, say, see how much she want give me. The woman can't pay the money give her. She not do that thing, she not do that one. Fear, not let the woman talk. No, but so now the one where they use printed the shot. So I've got you where you go now. When you got there, you what? You shop Abeyuwa money.
Especially the pretend because what?
I'm telling you.
After this whole matter, boss, during that.
When I see these people, they are interested in people the woman give money. They're not interested on somebody that was bullying this woman, that was using naked video, and this girl knew that Frank Victor is the cause of this problem. Now they are not interested because money were not going to their side again. Now these people are interested in the people that this woman was not giving. On your problem here. On your problem here. You go marry Suwabo. Soon alive. You not soon alive. And matter wa marry ita. If I know you go now, I got deliberate. But don't know if you go straight to the point where this boy was using a naked video to be bullying this woman. Where this boy, upon all your millions and millions is paid for this boy, no matter anything where Lady Abeyuwa can't tell this boy, why this boy not fear task? May keep her mute. Why this boy not fear task? May keep her mute. But you decide to be bullying this woman. Any platform where Lady Abeyuwa go, or most we attack that platform. The one where not fear attack, you will go settle with that person. The one where no fear attack, you will go settle with that person. The one where go attack, you will attack her. Why? Nobody want to talk truth again. But they want to talk like say give Monica money. I say give that one. Mona, see Mona fair play this video. Mona they see. What matter? What matter?
She did like forgive.
Yeah.
She did call me that time. She will tell me, Queen, send me, I won't give you $50. I won't give you $100. Which I have been saying on my platform that this lady, she did dash me money.
You even talk say one time, say she bad jewelry for you. I don't know. You know I done.
Thank you, my lady. Okay. Everything she do for me, I always appreciate, and God knows that I never called that lady once to say, Mama, don't give me 10 euros. Mama, give it to me.
Or you gonna go better? Abeyuwa, you gonna? All those one way they do for they just they do until they cover up.
Rita, can you bring proof? Even if you not bring proof of receipt, can you bring proof of person will tell you? Just talk the name. Because you and this woman not they talk. You and Abeyuwa not they talk. Okay, tell me, who tell you say give Monica money? Ekobete. Tell me, who tell you say give Ekobete money? Tell me, if you know they lie. If you know they lie, say not because of hatred. You know if you talk truth for those about space. Because why? You are one side setter. Tell us now, you and this woman when they talk, you not get a contact. Who can tell you say this woman give Ekobete money? Why you they lie? Why you they lie, Rita? Why you they lie? When I continue. Why you God? Agbona di.
Oh yeah, cover. You gonna be you worry any.
Wanna share the video, my lovers. Wagae. No gbanya ya bo. Wagae no wati yanre. Ome wayo busa those about space. Wagae.
The things what she they give me, the $50, the $100, you understand? They Frank also they are aware. Also know. So when me and Frank don't get issue where our father come boss, you understand? When me and Frank don't get issue, Frank come begin they use like say they do something. They talk say, now so the woman they pay my rent, now so the woman they give me this one, now so the woman they give me that one, which it was not true. Now like I mean if you take that thing serious, then
okay. Frank don't tell you. Frank don't talk. If Frank can't tell me whether we gonna pay rent in but already don't please so guy in done. If Frank got a when we gonna pay rent in where be a quit show where Ekbarubara where Sasowa go pass now.
Now so the woman they give me this one, now so the woman they give me that one, which it was not true.
Now let you all be true.
I mean if you take that thing serious, then because why Frank who they take that one father for something, we person will like pass himself. So I know the only reason
manifestation logo.
And I want to listen like me or say Sagara. So maybe the Sagara. So make me surprised say when this lady come past so me are so rest in peace.
Yeah.
I put the years from one great presenter. People where you start to apply this lady. And they talk say the woman was even paying my rent. I was like, are you guys crazy?
Evidence, where evidence? Like the one where we see for Frank.
Which people use Agakbaya? Now me don't please use Agakbaya. Because I may be the last person where you talk and I say they pay you. Now me call you Agakbaya. One of the talk truth. Now don't please call you Agakbaya because now me now I talk and say the woman told me she was paying your rent. Now me call you Agatekbaya. Because the last time I checked, I was the one supporting this woman for a very long time. All of Nasia. When I tell they attack this boy. So now me call you Agatekbaya. Bega Gmuwa. Bega Etuwa Uwa Fule Gmuwa. They pay me say Bini people, Edo people at large. Why you are lily man? You might need baby those about space. If I need temata or the name of they are living fake life. Why you are lily? Why are lily? You know no best way when they tell the truth. Now say that one no, you know they get 1 million view. Why are lily man? Nirioge yawe saga for a living just to feed yourself and be okay. Agmoni here, my people. When are they listening to them?
Yes, all the receipts they have side.
This one where we dey talk. The reason why me not still take this Ekobete serious. Because it me evidence. But maybe option manira America tie me tamame where Abeyuwa or you go na ya asa Ekobete win because you cabri dwari star now for that reason you go na Abeyuwa for free. Not do anything. You see?
Imanira America that you wear. Rita, oh Zimbabwe, Imanira America that you wear. Imanira America Rita. Rita, the Imanira America no do tena ma wear Rita. Yo, baba. Rita. Oh Zimbabwe, the Manita Muwevare America. Can you measure le one? Can you measure one? Rita, why you got to O marigone Monica. O marigone. Ove tamame maybe accuse na we go get Monica. O we marigone. O marigone ko better. Why I believe Rita? Okay, no. Now because of hatred. Forget say ko better not be my friend. What the matter? Only the truth has set you free. Only the truth has set you free. Rita, hey toge oke Zimbabwe. Oke Zimbabwe. Ya broadcast no sunwe Zimbabwe mama. Broadcast no sunwe Zimbabwe mama. Ma news ro pa Zimbabwe. Umwe channel where ya like the dosaba space. What the market here do? Umata be no sunwe Zimbabwe. We not get any information from Zimbabwe. This is going on in Zimbabwe. HIV agbeli yawa. But maybe no sunwe Zimbabwe. HIV everywhere for Zimbabwe. We know the year news. Imagine, we have a daughter that married to Zimbabwe. They say HIV from Zimbabwe. We know the year any news. We know the year any news for Zimbabwe. You the lock up say HIV from Zimbabwe. Wait a minute, where? Let people to not go to Zimbabwe anymore. That there is so many HIV in Zimbabwe. There is so many HIV in Zimbabwe. Have you ever told us one day that there are so many HIV in Zimbabwe? That people should not go close to Zimbabwe people. That Benin should not go close to Zimbabwe people. There are so many HIV. Wait a minute there. All what you do is to demarket the people. We go post it on your eye or work in Zimbabwe. We go post it on your eye or work in Zimbabwe. Why are you lying? Why go talk? This woman not give Monica any money. Because of hatred. Because of hatred. Who might get it matter? Or work in Zimbabwe. They say HIV for Zimbabwe. Maybe the people not close to Zimbabwe. Maybe Nigeria is not close to Zimbabwe. HIV is 80-something% in Zimbabwe. Uma daughter me man. You are lying, now you are lying with your goddaughter that is a suspect. A goddaughter is a suspect. A goddaughter, a queen, I dare you. Niatana, yamwe bori. Wale sponsora, wa mafia ya Abeyuwa Wahala. Where you say you want to go UK? A queen, yamwe bori. Wale sponsora mafia Abeyuwa Wahala. No, now you go know who the UK. Wait, Charlie, go when. What did you do? After na beat this woman, una collect the money, UK, una say the UK not work. Have you come out to tell the world? Have you come out to tell the world? Because that one, I'm not interested. No, why not talk? That one, the woman never sent that one again. Those one, he say, he don't forget. He not send those one again. No be, you could be a target. Person that was a target was Frank Victor. Frank Victor was the one that was threatening her with a naked video. But Queen, go and bring a juju. Say the priest lie against you. Say this woman, you not try to carry go UK. Wanna chop her money? Go and talk. Rita, when no a goddaughter way, take to oge metana. Rita, ne goddaughter way, if I dey lie. May go bring juju, now maybe the prince. Now maybe Don Prince. You hear me so? May go bring juju. Ni dey hwe mo social media na. Wa beg etin ya ho wa. Ni dey hwe mo social media na. May go bring juju. Why give mo Don Prince? Now go know some maybe Don Prince. Metalo. Make Quito show come out. Make it go talk. If Abeyuwa, lady, let Abeyuwa, may her soul rest in perfect peace. The queen and sponsorer not dupe this woman. Say that they go UK. This woman sponsor the trip not get. They chop the money. They post it for the woman. But today your platform yesterday, oh one on number one. Number two, when he take Quito show, say Quito show, stop saga. Which business you want? Quito show told this woman she's going to be doing yeri business, chain business, all those things. He go the seller. From there, you go enter clothes, enter hair. The woman sponsor that business for Quito stop saga. Quito show, come and tell the world. If this woman not sponsor yeri business for you, but you take stop saga. Wait till happen. Not be betray you betray this woman. Wait till happen. Why the woman leave you? You are crying say they pay your house rent. You they cry say they pay your house rent. These two when me talk so go bring juju for the lie. Go bring juju if I the lie. Go and bring juju if I lie for these two I talk so. She said the oge we saga who is zua. Who imagine one of the oge we saga. You say be like the way they use like they do saga. Who was zua? Oh, Franco zua, mo zua. Oh, my yeti muda me because he didn't want to finish eh. Oh zua. Go and bring juju if I laugh against you. This is what the woman told me. This is what the woman told me. That she told Quito Show to stop saga. That is why she sponsored that yeri business she was selling. When Queen did say one time, now Abeyuwa was sponsored that business. But she will come out and be telling you people rubbish. She not tell now what it cost quarrel between her now. She will come lie and say they spoil your head. She will lie and say they go spoil your head. Which people spoil your head? Which people? Which people? Now the same time they leave you at Bizugbe. Because two of them they bill at the same time. Now the same time they leave you at Bizugbe because you guys were billing this woman at the same time. I never knew this woman. Now through a part jebo, now I didn't know this woman. I never knew this woman. Now through a part jebo, now I didn't know this woman. When a part jebo call me, say, Don Prince, Lady Abeyuwa call me, and he ask of you. So he promised to bless us. The next thing I see, the part call me again, say, Don Prince, Lady Abeyuwa when he did 200,000. That was the first 200,000 she gave me. That's how we became friends. My people, wanna listen to me. My people, wanna listen to me. I know they lie. I know they listen to those people where they lie. Now true a part jebo I tell no one. But now Olivier, now can't give me the woman contact. I don't feel lie. In case of anything where they bring juju come. Olivier, now give me this woman contact. But now true a part jebo, now I tell no this woman. Now they hear me so. True a part jebo, now I take get this woman first message where he said can't give me. If a part about the life, if they watch this video, you will know if I the lie or if I not the lie. Now they hear me so. If a part about is watching this video, he will know if I'm lying, if I not the lie. He go more about. This is me for you, Don Prince. Mama Joy International. I'm not going my way. For real. This is me. Now the sense so let's start from here. Let's start from here. So, my people, as I was saying, Rita who lie for Monica head. Lady Abeyuwa never give Monica any money. Mona not believe all those lies where they talk now because the video long. If I say I continue to play long, so I just want from here to continue. Maybe later I'll still play the video. So let me just go straight to the point and share the video. Make another person for see what you will talk. Now they hear me so. Nobody want to talk truth again. Truth is now bitter in Edokpayi space. Truth is now a big bitterness in Edokpayi space. Nobody want to talk truth again. So now, Rita should stop lying. Or if she want to bring evidence, let her bring evidence. This is how Lady Abeyuwa give Monica money. Why is she lying? Why is she lying? Forget say me and Eko better not be friends. You should stop lying. See the suspect where he and sponsor her. Where Becky, I say Becky, many other not be Becky I want call. Quito show. He and sponsor her. They plan to do this woman on the name of going to UK. He not talk for that video yesterday. On matter, we know I'm boring. Me had the look Becky. Becky to say this person is a friend. Becky, who are you get where Kwe Osuweno? Me say who Osenihi. Who are you get Osuweno? Oro where Konwa. Uma Becky. You know say Abeyuwa like you Becky. Oh you tell him a good man. So you happy where a Quito show is your friend. You are playing. You don't know what you are doing. When me agu we go Becky right for Italy. Who will give me money? Who give me money? Becky. And you work but where first person email the full social media now. Where first person email the full social media. Where there again now no connection as at here. Okay, Gemini Avielele. You want Avielele is the two people who I say no. Because Avielele was the get one connection as within my street. Now Avielele for the hustle that time. Black connection as. Where they for they use black till they walk. Now they Avielele they walk. Avielele now they see so for my street. The street where me there for Napoli. Now Avielele for the do connection as. For Papa Chinoso bar. Now Avielele for the do connection as where Ghana people they knock at different country. Go if I the lie make come swear. But Becky, I will be advancing Becky not the take. He will say I never blow. He will say I never blow. You think say quit touch on your friend? They play. They play. They play. You never know what in day. Abeyuwa not forgive Queen, but he forgive you. I know what Abeyuwa tell me about you, Becky. He forgive you. He say you get good man. He say Queen. Now why your person? Queen not get good man. I'ma forgive a Queen. When the Queen was tell her, I'ma forgive a Queen. I'ma forgive a Queen. So Rita, stop lying. Stop lying. There was no time where Abeyuwa to give Monica any money a kobete. Amarigone. Even the day when no call, okay, Monica mega aguya. Where go ya call with do or well when you call. So that the medium cannot free. The medium cannot be free, you make it every time because the Monica man so that Oga feel when you sponsor money saga and you te medium. The woman went there and talk her mind. Now they hear me so. Now they hear me, but we continue to hammer the truth, whether they like it or not. Now maybe Don Prince. Now maybe Don Prince. If not only one person they like me, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. If not only one person they like Don Prince, I'm okay. I'm okay. Wanna continue to talk truth. Only the truth shall set you free. This woman be complaining about Frank Victor till the last death. Frank Victor, because of Frank Victor, everybody bullied this woman. And last, Frank Victor is the one that closed the bullying. He is the one that bullied this woman last to the death. And now through you, everybody take bully this woman. Now you can close the bullying. So now not you talk truth. All of now they debate on who give money, who collect money. Now that one by the woman, they force her give anybody money. They force the woman give anybody money. He was giving people money, but for Frank Victor promised to marry her. Frank Victor promised to marry her, and she invested in Frank Victor. When Frank Victor break her man, that woman get BP, she get depression. The rest thing what she couldn't do was out of her mind. The rest thing what she couldn't do was out of her mind because why? She was devastated. She was heartbroken. Someone broke her heart. Someone that he has been investing on. This small boy is enough in marry old woman. Now old woman deal with for us today. Now Oduma deal with for us today. This small boy, he said nothing married Oduma. But you deceive this woman that you will marry her. After you don't finish the money chopper, now you say nothing marry Oduma, that she's too old. But today, you are with a woman who even senior you. Is that not a shame and disgrace to Edosaba space? Why this boy will be coming out and be disgracing everybody in Edosaba space? Why ya again? What the fear? Who are the fear? What might it matter? See video where this boy go post. This boy, Akiko, this Dominion husband. May I show now the video where go post. This Dominion husband, Akiko, where? Yeah, we. Where? When I see video where Akiko go post, may I show now. See this video, one place so. Now they hear me so. You see this video, one place so. Video where Epa Eddie they support Lady Abeyuwa. They fight Enogi that time. Now they hear me so. Get what I want to talk here. This video. Now Akiko, that small boy where put woman where senior put for us. No Zua, no regen me. No man, ne matalele, no man team kono kono yo wa. Wanna see video we go post.
Abeyuwa son. Somebody just give you 500,000. No quite from no. Esther almost to go down. Oga boy ije. God, oga boy ije. Bokpo wene. Boni amu buele regene de. Ni ana mo social media re boni ya wuna. Boni, they are all working.
Your own child is a girl too. Why are you waiting your child? Why are you waiting?
Why am I saying about where yes and soon?
I'm not with godmother. Why they give $1? What about $1?
But I read it.
Why not doing anything now? I market Alpha. If I go my lag,
Webo yo kano momi go kia. Obi ogano momi go kia. If I go no la wegbe, o ma la mo pagbe social media do se book mo. U borrow jo. Do se gbe e bossa no gbiwen. U ho e opo no bienu e yon tale ya bedere. You have the highest disgrace so far on social media network. Oswe, the highest disgrace on social media. You are the one that you are the award winner. The award winner. Okpia no konya ewu your over 20 something times. Okpia the police is over bogu okoroto. You don't call that disgrace. Oswe, una so boy, Oswe. Where no come out where I borrow from the way Bolu ya do to €2. You are talking that people has disgrace. That is it. That I just know that is the fact.
Passer à la facturation électronique. Maintenant, pour être règle.
My people, you know why I play this video? Why I play this video? You know why I play this video? Epa Eddie was supporting this woman because why this woman need help. Abi, like the way Queen Tosho talks, say the woman were helpless. Now Epa Eddie called me and tell me this woman want to support my program. Anybody that support my program, that you have a good heart, definitely don't praise God you to support that person. Since that moment, Epa Eddie introduced this woman for me. I never insulted that woman till today. I'll be supporting that woman till today. Now they hear me so. The work where Epa Eddie be they do, where be say this woman love Epa Eddie. It was in Epa Eddie platform. Now when Frank Victor can go settle with Epa Eddie, because why? If the fans want to drive this woman come out for where Epa Eddie did. Because that time, it is saga Epa Eddie. Suddenly, we all pass you come the form, you go the barefoot, go give a furnish. Before you know, got the first settlement. Now the year they talk, as he settled with Epa Eddie, this woman saw come out for that place. Say, as I say, this boy and Epa Eddie don't be friend, he no one go there again. That is how he left. But because of that one, me not physically leave her. That is how I continue to support her. Now so it meet Mama Joy. Now so we continue to support her. They go the way all these people where they say they fed the support her. Like the way Queen Tosh show. So from there, and I was there. If you say I be bad person, the woman for don't come on leave me since. If the woman not hear my voice a day, not they stay. Now they hear me so for real. I know they lie. I was not the one that was bringing the woman mad down. So where is my offense here, my people? My people, where is my offense here? Since because when the power Jebo introduced her for me, as I say don't help me, definitely I go to support her. Okay, where is my offense here for supporting her against the people bullying her, like the way Pastor they do and so? A power was supporting her, bullying some people that were bullying her. This is the work I was still doing, supporting her. Okay, where is my offense here? But the person that was bullying her, that caused her back, all of them, they beat around the bush. Nobody want to talk to that person. Maybe they fear, I don't know. Now, you are now accusing figure on Monica, accusing figure on this one, accusing people that don't, people who are supposed to go straight, all of them, they beat around the bush. That will not be shame. That will not be shame. It's a shame to Edosa space. It's a shame to Nigerians at large. Where be say, come on truth, nobody fit talk again. Come on truth, nobody fit talk again. I've never offended anybody. All what I did was to be defending this woman to the last day, that they should stop bullying her. All what I did was to support this woman that you stop bullying her. Okay, the person that was bullying her now with this one. Okay, imagine when I see the last bullying where this boy give her. When I see the last bullying.
That's we are anyway. We are anyway. Wow, yes. I know who is school. If you're not at school, yeah, I'm but I am back on you now. Oh, go where you are. Oh, when I have war. Oh, go on salon winner or salon war. Oh, when I wear sit down. Ah, yes, I say that just go winner. But we are now with me. In the water. Wow, Bell, oh, go billing you out. Ogun gbele we wa for national pistol wa assume we le wa we wa go yi wa 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 yi we mu odekun wa yi lu we collateral wa assume
Not here.
e mo wa bina ka osa
Not here.
mo no bi ma era ma ji black and white get that boy just like that boy what boy if you got which way. He just said, you know what I'm taking you on if you had bed, you don't do for say, if you had we don't do for no one can again and if you had which way, if you had which way, if you are basically, if you are Bilituya, if you are Bituan, if you are Bijose, if you are Bisoke, was soon. Even what they are, you are, or go on with your national history. Yet we are pissing out. Let's go there.
This is a boy where promised to marry this woman. This is a boy that promised this woman love. This is a boy that say if you don't marry this woman, he go back. That they lake us to generate the human generation so. That they lake up on all the money where he shop. This one not rich now. He start to bully this woman with a naked video. Where they do together, where they do lovey. He start to bully this woman. They threaten her, say one release a nude for those about space. Nobody is talking about it. Everybody is not talking about it. They are emphasizing on people this woman was gifting money. Imagine. When I know, say for all the presenter, nobody will not get with the supporter. Nobody will not get with the supporter. But the main issue was the person that was bullying her, that was threatening her, that promised to marry her. later went to go and marry this old woman, Mama Kevi. Nobody is talking about it because they fear Frank Victor. And they see life. Because they fear Frank Victor. They don't fit talk. All of them, they fear. They don't fit talk. Very soon that Don Prince, they will come for. Me, Don Prince. I don't know be Don Prince. I will use truth finish you now. I will use truth finish you now. People where they follow now, people will they say and say now demons, now many parts where they follow now. Don't come say and say now demons where be human being, now they follow now. They will see that people where they follow now, many now demon. Don't be lie. Now truth. Now they finish you now for this edokpayi space. Abeyuwa will get justice. Whether in anything. Only the truth shall set us free. How can you guys be debating on? I say, give this some money. I said, now that one buy. Did she complain that he was sharing money so much? She did not complain. Did she complain that he was sharing money? She did not. Only what she was complaining that somebody is bullying her with a nude video. Threatening to release a nude video. She not asleep. If now you that they threaten to say they want to release a nude video, after you don't spend money for the person, how you go feel? How you go feel? You where they wash me so, where no one talk truth. You where they had they wash me now, you know what talk truth. You they hide, you say nobody they see you. Almighty God they wash you as you they wash me. Almighty God they wash you. You they wash me now, you know what talk truth. You they pretend, you know what talk truth.